Ever slammed a cupboard a little too hard just because your family's chatter suddenly sounded like a rock concert? Here's the truth. If you're in perimenopause and everyday noises are making you want to run, you're not losing it. Sound sensitivity is real. Hormonal shifts crank up your nervous system, making clinking dishes, barking dogs, or even your favorite BTS track feel overwhelming and exhausting. It's called sensory overload, and it's way more common than anyone admits. You're not alone if you crave silence, but get guilt-tripped for snapping at noise. Your brain is literally processing sounds differently now. Repeat after me. This is not in your head. Here's your permission slip to step away. Try noise-canceling headphones, a 5-minute solo dance break, or a calming playlist to reset. Advocate for your peace. Tell your people what you need, no apologies. You're not being dramatic, you're adapting to a new normal. Next time the world gets loud, remember, you have every right to protect your space. And yes, even blast BTS if that's what soothes your soul.